In this video, I will show you how to disable sidebar in WordPress pages. For instance, you may not need a sidebar in a contact page, team page, or the home page. So let's see how it's done. First, you need to go to Pages section of your WordPress site. And here, you need to click Edit under the page, in which you want to remove the sidebar. Now, you need to click the Pages settings and styling icon in the top bar of the screen. And next, click the General tab below. Under Content Layout, select 100% full width. And save the changes made to the page layout. And now, you can preview the WordPress page. And here, you can see the sidebar has been removed in the contact page. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.